Thousand Island. Enjoy watching and have a great day. Welcome to the breathtaking beauty of the Thousand Islands. Located in Gananoque, a charming gateway to one of Canada's most stunning natural treasures. Nestled along the mighty St. Lawrence River, this region is home to over 1,800 islands scattered like emerald jewels across crystal clear waters. Each island has its unique story, from tiny rocky outcrops with a single tree to grand estate rich in history and mystery. Today, we're setting off on an unforgettable journey through the heart of the Thousand Islands, where nature, history, and adventure come together in the most magical way. Look around and you see islands of all shapes and sizes. Some are just large enough for a cozy cottage, while others are home to luxurious mansions surrounded by lush greenery. One of the most famous sights here is Boldt Castle, a grand and romantic castle built in the early 1900s. This stunning landmark tells a heartfelt story of love and loss, making it one of the most iconic attractions in the region. It was built by millionaire hotel owner George C. Boldt for his wife Louise. Construction started in 1900s with over 300 workers building a massive 6-story, 120-room mansion. It was meant to be a grand Valentine's gift, a symbol of his love. But in 1904, tragedy struck. Louise suddenly passed away. George immediately ordered all constructions to stop. He never returned to the island again. The castle was left unfinished for over 70 years, making it one of the most famous love story castles in North America. After decades of abandonment, the property was bought in 1977 by the Thousand Islands Bridge Authority. Millions of dollars have been invested to restore it. Today, it's a major tourist attraction visited by hundreds of thousands every year. The Thousand Islands region is not just about beautiful homes. It's also a paradise for nature lovers. Keep your eyes open and you might spot soaring birds, playful fish, or even a glimpse of wildlife along the shoreline. What makes this place even more fascinating is that the Thousand Islands stretch across 2 countries, Canada and the United States. As we cross along, we're actually traveling between international borders, making this experience even more unique. This is the perfect place to unwind, take photos, and simply enjoy the beauty of nature. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or even solo, the Thousand Islands offer a peaceful escape from the busy city life. Don't forget to bring your camera. Every angle here is picture perfect. The Thousand Islands in Gananoque is more than just a destination. It's an experience filled with beauty, history, and unforgettable memories. If you're planning your next getaway, this hidden gem in Ontario should definitely be on your list. Thank you for joining this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more travel adventures. See you in the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now.